This house was designed for a tattoo artist, and that changes everything. The architecture of Casa T, created by SSAA, does not copy a tattoo. There are no obvious drawings on the facade. What appears is something else: precision, cuts, sharp lines, control, and intensity transformed into space. This is the most interesting point of the house. It is not just a residence with a studio inside. It was designed to hold two parts of the same life: the work of an artist who receives clients and the intimacy of a family home. The challenge here was delicate. How do you place a tattoo atelier and a private residence under the same volume without completely mixing the two worlds? The answer begins with the form of the house itself. Seen from the outside, it has an almost closed monolithic presence with clean surfaces, strong lines, and angular edges. The house faces a busy street in Taling Chan, Bangkok, and responds with a more protected, more controlled, less exposed shell. The atelier has its own experience. It is not treated as just another room inside the house. It has a separate, more discreet access, almost like a transition into another state. The arrival prepares the visitor for an environment of concentration. Inside, the space gains a double-height ceiling and a more intense atmosphere. The palette is darker, connected to ink, the body, and the artist's work. But natural light and the internal courtyard keep the space from becoming simply too heavy or too closed. This matters because a tattoo atelier is not only a functional space. It is a place of trust, pause, and precision. The architecture creates a more controlled, almost ritualized atmosphere without turning the space into a spectacle. The residential part follows another logic. It has its own access and a more domestic atmosphere. The materials are warmer, the light is softer, and the courtyards help separate the home from the movement of the street and the intensity of the atelier. What's interesting is that the separation between work and private life does not happen only through a wall. It happens through different entrances, changes in light, variations in material, internal courtyards, and shifts in atmosphere. The geometry of Casa T is not gratuitous. It speaks to the world of tattooing without copying a tattoo. The architecture translates the discipline of the craft, the precise line, the controlled gesture, the sharp cut, the attention to detail. But it is not only hard or closed. Behind the angular shell, the house opens to internal courtyards, and these courtyards completely change the experience. They bring light, vegetation, air, and pauses into the house. This is the main duality here. On the outside, a quieter and more protected mass. On the inside, a sequence of atelier, home, courtyards, wood, filtered light, and more intimate spaces. living and working in the same place does not mean mixing everything together. The artist needs a space to create, receive, and concentrate, but he also needs a place to return to, rest, and live with his family. That's why Casa T works with subtle thresholds. The Atelier keeps its presence, the home keeps its intimacy, and the courtyards work as breathing spaces between these two worlds. The strength of Casa T lies precisely in this translation. Tattooing does not appear as an image applied to the architecture. It appears as spatial precision, as line, as cut, as mass, as control between exposure and privacy. In the end, Casa T is a house about thresholds, between work and family life, between street and interior, between art and routine, between shadow and light, between the intensity of the atelier and the calm of the home. It shows that a house atelier does not need to be just the sum of two programs. It can be an architecture that understands the life of the person who lives there. A hidden entrance, an angular shell, an internal courtyard, a change in light, and the precision of a craft transformed into space.